Secret number 1. Hitler personally designed the Beetle. Well, he drew the first sketch in 1934. He wanted a cheap car for German families, costing just 990 Reichsmarks. That's about $4,000 today. But here's the secret. He never drove one himself. Secret number 2. After World War II, the British Army saved the Beetle from destruction. The factory was in ruins. The British Major Ivan Hirst ordered production to restart in 1945. He thought the car would be useful for occupation forces. Without him, the Beetle would have died. Secret number 3. Germans paid for the Beetle through a savings plan. Over 300,000 people saved money every week. But not a single civilian got their car before the war started. The money went to military vehicles instead. After the war, nobody got refunds. Secret number 4. The nickname Bug was never used by Volkswagen. American drivers started calling it that in the 1960s because of its round shape. Volkswagen hated the name. They even tried to stop people from using it. But it stuck. Now it's famous worldwide. Secret number 5. The Beetle held the record for the most produced car of all time. From 1938 to 2003, 65 years of production. Over 21.5 million Beetles were built. It beat the Ford Model T's record in 1972, and the last Beetle rolled off the line in Mexico in 2003. Now, watch the Volkswagen Beetle in action, the car that survived a war, an army,